Experiencing issues checking your Tracfone balance? Here's how to quickly troubleshoot using shortcodes, the app, and IVR. Start with shortcodes like 777 or #10min. They're the most reliable because they work directly with the SIM card. If that fails, toggle airplane mode or reseat your SIM. For app issues, ensure you have the latest version, 4.2 or later, grant SMS phone permissions, and clear the cache or reinstall if needed. IVR via 611 can be slow during peak hours, so try off-peak times or the app as a backup. These steps address common problems like network issues, app bugs, and SIM errors to get you back on track. Looking ahead, Tracfone is shifting towards app-based balance inquiries with AI integration. While shortcodes are currently reliable, expect them to phase out as 5G adoption increases. For now, experts recommend using a mix of methods for redundancy. PCMag and Wirecutter praise shortcodes for simplicity, but advise caution with app stability. If you're having trouble, remember that a 2025 JD Power survey shows 72% of prepaid users face balance inquiry issues annually, so you're not alone. Keep your app updated, utilize shortcodes when possible, and consider the AI chatbot beta for instant checks. These tips will keep you informed and prepared as Tracfone evolves its balance inquiry system.